Meaning of diagram.
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 Diagram. A diagram is a graphical representation of information or data. It uses symbols, lines, and text to illustrate the relationships, structures, and processes involved in the subject matter. Diagrams are commonly used for various purposes such as communication, analysis, decision-making, and visualization. They can be created by hand or using computer software. Diagrams provide a clear and concise way to convey complex information and ideas, helping to simplify and clarify concepts. They are used in many fields including science, engineering, business, education, and more.